What's up, Paul here from dropshippingtitans.com, where I teach you how to start, run, and scale your very own successful dropshipping business. And in today's video, we're going to go over the 3 things that you need to start a successful Amazon dropshipping business. And if you are interested in Amazon dropshipping, click on the first link in the description of this video because that's going to alert you every time I make new videos or new content about Amazon dropshipping. You'll be the first to hear about it. So click on that first link. That will connect you and I up through Facebook Messenger, and you'll get those alerts. But let's get into the first thing that you need to start a successful Amazon dropshipping business, and that is, of course, an Amazon seller's account. Now, I'll leave a link to this website underneath this video. This is where you sign up to start an Amazon seller's account. Now, there's 2 different kinds of seller's accounts. There's a professional one that costs $39.99 a month. And if you scroll down here, you'll see at the bottom it says sign up to become an individual seller. Signing up as an individual seller is free. It doesn't cost $40 a month. But in addition to being charged a fee every time you sell a product like everyone else does when you sell on Amazon, Amazon will also charge you a $1 fee for every item that you sell if you sign up as an individual seller. As a dropshipper, that's going to add up really, really quickly. So I would not recommend that you sign up as an individual seller. You want to scroll up here and sign up as a professional seller. The second thing that you're going to need is some sort of software that's going to put your items on Amazon in and out of stock if the items go out of stock on your supplier's website. So the type of dropshipping that I do is I find items on websites like Walmart.com, and I see if they're also available for sale on Amazon and if there's enough money in there for me to make a profit. If there is, then I list them for sale inside my own Amazon account. But what happens if someone buys the item from me on Amazon, but it's out of stock on Walmart.com? That's a bad situation to be in because now you can't fulfill the order. Well, there is software out there that will automate this whole stock issue for you. So if the item goes out of stock on Walmart, it will automatically put the item as out of stock on Amazon as well. And that's where Webscraperapp comes in. This is the software that I use to do this, and it does it really, really well. So this is Webscraperapp, the dashboard when you sign in. I've already set the whole thing up, and it tells you a whole bunch of information about how many orders you have. You can use Webscraperapp to actually help you process your orders. I don't use it for that now, although I should really be doing it. But it tells you a lot of information about your inventory. You can see all the items that you've listed into your Amazon account. And it will also show you where you can find those items on your supplier's website. So this item, if I click on the right on this green button right here, that will bring me to the supplier's website. I can see the item. So once it gets purchased on Amazon, I can come back here and see, oh yeah, this item was supplied on Walmart. And here it is right here. I can quickly get to it. It works with a ton of different suppliers. We can look at all the suppliers right here. Look at all of them. AliExpress, Bed Bath & Beyond, Build, Belk, BJ's, Costco, Costway, Disney, eBay, GameStop, Home Depot. Just a ton of them here, ton of them. Overstock, Petco, Sam's Club, ThinkGeek, Walgreens, Walmart, Zorro. So any one of those websites, if items are being sold on those websites, you can sell those same items on Amazon. And again, if they go out of stock on those websites, Webscraperapp will automatically make sure that they go out of stock on Amazon as well. So you don't sell an item that you can't then purchase and ship to the customer. Like I said, you can also manage all your orders in here as well. But really, the best thing about this is that once you set it up, all you have to do is every time you list an item on Amazon, you put that information into Webscraperapp, and it runs in the background, just does this automatically on autopilot. You don't even have to worry about it, which is really cool. And by the way, if you're wondering what kind of items I list into my Amazon account, I will be creating a video soon talking all about how to do product research for Amazon dropshipping. So if you are interested in that video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, again, click that first link in the description of this video. You'll get an alert. I'll send you a message on Facebook every time I release an Amazon dropshipping video. Now, another problem that comes up a lot if you're a dropshipper is, what if you're on Walmart or you've listed this item from Walmart? It was $25 when you listed it, but now the price of the item goes up. Let's say it goes up to $30, and now someone buys it from you on Amazon. Are you going to lose money now on this sale? Well, no, because again, Webscraper comes in and saves the day for you on autopilot. What Webscraperapp does is every hour it scans or scrapes Walmart.com. It not only checks if the item is still in stock, but it also checks if the price has changed. If the price has changed, then what it does is it sends that data to a second software. And this is the third thing that you need to start a successful Amazon dropshipping business. And that is a software or a website called informed.Co. And I will have, by the way, I'll have links to all of this in the description of this video. I'll have a link to Webscraperapp. That will be the third link in the description of this video. And I also have a coupon code for you if you want to get 30% off the cost of Webscraperapp. You can use that coupon code. And I'll have a link to Informed underneath that as well for you to check out that. So Webscraperapp sends the data to Informed. It sends them the price of the item. It sends them if there's shipping that needs to be charged. So on Walmart, all orders under $35, or most orders under $35, you're going to be charged shipping. So it will tell Informed, this item costs $24.95. There's $5.99 for shipping as well. And depending on how you set up your settings in Webscraperapp, it will also let it know that you need an additional percentage for sales tax. That depends on how you set up Webscraperapp though. So once Informed gets that information, it will then reprice the item based on the price on Walmart. So specifically, what you do is you set up these things called strategies inside Informed. And what those do is that it takes the price of the item. So in this case, $25 plus $6 is $31 for the item. And it says, and you tell Informed, okay, for my Walmart items, this is the lowest I'll sell it for, this markup. And then this is the highest that I'll sell it for. So it has a range now. And it will price the item on Amazon somewhere in that range. And where it prices it depends on the competition. So here on Amazon, if you look on the right, you'll see this big yellow button that says Add to Cart. That is the buy box. There are several people selling this same item. You see all of them right here. You can see more of them by opening up right here. All these people are selling the same item. But this person right here, whoever has this box, they are getting the majority of the sales. So you want to win this buy box. And one of the main ways to do that is by being competitive with your pricing. And Informed does that for you. So it's going to continually lower your price based on the way you set up your strategy so that you can try to win the buy box. Try to get this box as many times as you can for as many items as you can. And when you get the buy box, it really accelerates your sales. So if you set up a really good strategy and you use Informed with Webscraperapp, it greatly increases your chances of getting the buy box, which is really, really powerful. Now, I know a lot of you might be wondering, why do we have to have two different softwares, Informed and Webscraperapp? Why can't there be an all-in-one system? Well, the great thing here is that Informed is one of the most trusted Amazon softwares. It is used by over 4,000 sellers, not just merchant-fulfilled sellers, which is what we do as dropshipping, but also FBA sellers as well. They use it because it works. It helps people get the buy box more. And repricing items on Amazon in order to try to win the buy box is actually pretty difficult, but Informed has been doing it for a long time. They are experts at it. So it's actually really cool that we as dropshippers now have a way of using this really incredible software that just simply works really well. So again, Webscraperapp will scan Walmart, find the stock and restock. It will find the prices. It does this every hour, then send the prices to Informed, who will actually reprice the items and try to win you the buy box as many times as you can. So if you are serious about being successful as an Amazon seller, then this is the most powerful software that you have to be using. So there you go. Those are the 3 things that you need to start successfully dropshipping onto Amazon. And again, I'll have links to all of them in the description of this video. And that first link, if you are interested in Amazon dropshipping, click on that link. You'll get a Facebook message every time I make a video about Amazon dropshipping so that you don't miss them. And if you like this video, if you learned something from it, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you loved it, make sure to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.